Hey everyone, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving deep into digital marketing, how it works, whether it's worth your time, and if there are better alternatives out there. Make sure you stick around to the end because I've got a special free gift for you that will help you kickstart your journey into making money online. Who am I? My name's Amber, and I've been through the trenches when it comes to finding ways to escape the 9-to-5 grind. I've tried countless online business models. Some worked, some didn't, and let me tell you, it's not as easy as those flashy ads make it sound. I've invested in tons of courses, programs, and even dipped my toes into real estate. If you're looking to find out what really works online, you're in the right place. And if you enjoy honest, no BS reviews like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content. So, what is digital marketing? In simple terms, it's all about promoting products or services using the internet. Whether it's running ads, writing blog posts, or creating videos like this one, digital marketing comes in all shapes and sizes. The main goal is to reach people where they are, on their phones, laptops, and social media platforms, and convince them to buy whatever it is that you're selling. But here's the truth. Just because it's online doesn't mean it's easy. There's a lot of noise out there, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can waste a lot of time and money. How does digital marketing work? We live in a digital age. People are online constantly, searching for products, services, and information. If you can get in front of those people with the right message, you can build a profitable business from the ground up. The best part, you don't need a huge budget to get started. So let's break down how digital marketing works in a way that's easy to understand. 1. Content creation. This is when you're writing blogs, creating YouTube videos, or posting on social media. The goal here is to attract people with valuable content that solves their problems or answers their questions. 2. Lead generation. Once you've attracted people to your content, you want to get them to take action. This could be signing up for your email list or checking out a product you're promoting. This is where lead generation comes in, using both organic, which is free, and paid strategies. 3. Sales funnel. Digital marketing is also about having a system in place that turns leads into paying customers. This is called a sales funnel, and it's the key if you want to make money consistently. And 4. Automation. The best part, once you've got your system working, a lot of it can be automated so you can scale without having to work 24/7. So is digital marketing worth it? Well, let's say it all depends. If you're looking to make a quick buck, this probably isn't for you. But if you're willing to put in the time to learn and test things out, digital marketing can be incredibly rewarding. It's scalable, and once you've got your system working, it can create a steady stream of income. However, it's not a magic pill. You'll have to learn things like SEO, email marketing, or running ads, and that can take some time. But if you stick with it, it's definitely worth it. So let's talk about the good and the bad. The good with digital marketing. Digital marketing lets you work from anywhere. As long as you got a laptop and Wi-Fi, you're good. It's scalable. Once your system is set up, you can generate passive income without constantly trading time for money. You don't need to create your own product to get started. Let's talk about the bad. The bad is it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to learn and adapt as things change, especially with trends like social media, algorithms, or Google updates. It can be overwhelming with all the different platforms and tools you have to figure out. There's definitely a learning curve. If you need to stay consistent and keep testing what works for your audience. What works today might not work tomorrow. easier alternatives. Now, if digital marketing feels like too much to take on, don't worry. There's an alternative that's a little easier to get into and requires less upfront work: affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your link. It's a great way to start making money online without the headaches or creating your own products or services. As promised, I've got something special for you: my free affiliate marketing course that will walk you through how to get started making money online. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to download it now and start building your path to financial freedom. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.